Here I've got BLUBOO Xtouch, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select finger scanner, and now tap on Fingerprint Manager, just click here, and now you have to keep tapping on the sensor, which is here, and do it repeatedly to add the full fingerprint to your device. Just rest your finger several times to capture a complete and secure fingerprint. Now just add the edges, so just the finish touches. And that's it. Also, you have to add some backup to your device, to your fingerprint. For example, 1379. Tap on OK, confirm the password. And that's it. And now just click on Screen Lock and tap on Fingerprint Lock. And from now on, if you lock your device, you will not be able to unlock it just by swiping. You have to either add the fingerprint or enter the PIN code, which was the backup for your fingerprint. So it was 1379, and that's it. So this is how you can add the fingerprint. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.